Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss top 20 current affair MCQ questions. This video will be very helpful for your examination. So watch the video till end and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press bell icon so that you receive notification of every video. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question number 1. Which Indian state officially declared 5th May as Traders' Day in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Question number 2. As per the latest May 2025 briefing, India's first crewed Gaganyaan mission is now targeted for which year? Correct answer is option C, 2027. Question number 3. India's first interstate cheetah conservation corridor, announced in May 2025, will connect which pair of states? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Question number 4. The 12th Global Space Exploration Conference GLEX 2025, scheduled for 7 to 9 May 2025, will be hosted in which city? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Question number 5. A May 2025 survey of India remeasurement fixed the updated total length of India's coastline at? Correct answer is option C, 11,098.81 km. Question number 6. Who was appointed chairperson of the Lok Sabha Committee on Estimates for the 2025 to 26 term? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Sanjay Jaiswal. Question number 7. Yemen's Presidential Council named whom as the country's new Prime Minister? Correct answer is option B, Salem Saleh bin Breakers. Question number 8. The International Buddha Peace Award 2025 was conferred on which social activist entrepreneur? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Mustafa Yusuf Ali Gom. Question number 9. India carried out a nationwide civil defense mock drill across 244 districts on 7 May 2025. What was the code name assigned to this exercise? Correct answer is option B, Operation Abhyas. Question number 10. In May 2025, which company introduced the world's first AI-powered gold melting ATM, hailed as a breakthrough in automated bullion services? Correct answer is option A, Gold Sikka. Question number 11. Cardinal Robert Prevost was elected which papal title, becoming the first ever American pontiff in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Pope Leo XIV. Question number 12. The Pandit Lakshmi Chand Kalakar Samajik Samman Yojana, granting a 10,000 monthly rupees honorarium to senior artists and art scholars, was launched by which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Haryana. Question number 13. Who, while continuing as CEO of Titan's jewelry brand Tanishq, was named the next managing director of Titan Company effective 1st January 2026? Correct answer is option B. Ajoy Chawla. Question number 14. In May 2025, which Himalayan nation signed an MOU with the Adani Group to develop 5,000 megawatt of hydropower projects? Correct answer is option B. Bhutan. Question number 15. FIFA confirmed that the 2027 Women's World Cup will be hosted by. Correct answer is option B. Brazil. Question number 16. Who won the men's singles title at the 2025 Mutua Madrid Open tennis tournament held in May 2025? Correct answer is option C. Casper Ruud. Question number 17. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers GRSC delivered the Indian Navy's first anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft named. Correct answer is option A. INS Arnala. Question number 18. The MRSAM India Ecosystem Summit 2.0 held on 7 May 2025 at the Manekshaw Center, New Delhi was organized by. Correct answer is option B. Center for Joint Warfare Studies CEAGOWS and MRSAM stands for Medium Range Surface to Air Missile. Question number 19. Kotak Mahindra Bank's new invite-only premium travel credit card launched in May 2025 is branded. Correct answer is option C. Solitaire credit card. Question number 20. Payments FinTech Cash-Free upgraded its international payment gateway to support transaction in how many countries? Correct answer is option D. 140 plus. Thanks for watching.